465 rupees profit from Bajaj Finance stock. Short sell at 7240 area. And cover the short at 7221 area. Which means 19 rupees as near 0.3% profit. Let's see why I shorted the stock and what is after effects. First check out the chart. Time frame was taken 5 minutes. Check the candle price trend. It's showing positive trend as per chart. Now check the both indicator like RSI and CCI. First RSI showing positive trend as like candle price trend. Second CCI showing reverse trend against the candle price trend. Now joining the middle hook to confirmation of trading level. Great. This time it's showing point to point area. That means still no confirmation from CCI trend. We have to wait for next candle to confirm the trade. Wait for few minutes more. After few minutes later it crossed and break the middle line and I shorted for 0.3% profit approximate. Look at the chart now. It's break and I am on profit. Low made near 7217 area. I booked at 7221 area. That's all for the day. This is the best tricks which is called CCI divergence. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.